In the Great Plains of Northern America, we see the majestic twat. The twat is a large, warm, slippery creature, known as the gentle giant of the plains. Usually it's a pack animal, but this small twat seems to have wandered off alone. Possibly a fatal error for the twat. The twat has been known to eat up to 2 tons of grass per day. Little does this twat know that sneaking close by is a cock. The cock is slithering through the tall grass. Normally, the cock only advances during nightfall under a haze of alcohol, but this dick has got rambunctious, and at the sight of the lone twat, was too excited. He had to attack. Twat, still occupied eating grass, doesn't notice the dick preparing for its charge. The dick adorns itself with its protective shield, preparing for penetration, and he lets out a loud war cry as he it turns to defend itself, opening its wide mouth with large, sharp teeth. The dick is terrified and tries to shrink away into its foreskin and tries to escape, but is no match for the twat. Its large teeth grab the cock instantly, and it consumes a small slab of meat. Now full of its share of cock for the day, the twat lumbers off into the grass to rest.